This is Dharma UX audit for awareness. I am not against gaming, I am for transparency. If platform shows RNG certificate, KYC ledger, deposit withdrawal audit, I will be the first one to appreciate them. 3 questions every real money game must answer. This is designed for the Indian audience. The first equation they never show is total deposit 25 crore users is equals to human wins withdrawn, bot wins, human losses, bot losses, app commission. Note if bot win is more than 0, where is bot KYC? Just ask this question to gaming app. Human versus bot. Separate karo. So keep it separate. Where human players KYC verified, PAN linked, Aadhaar linked, deposit and withdrawal details shown. But for bot 24/7 active, 97% or 90% win rate, no KYC details, skew payouts. This shows money flows unequally, higher risk for humans. Deposit versus withdrawal. Deposits 100%, but withdrawal is only 3%. Actual payouts to humans, which is 3%, but loss to platform and bots is 67 to 79%, which excludes the app commission and the GST and TDS. So this shows the design is deceptive. Where does that 97% go? Transparency missing. If bot wins exist, where is bot KYC ledger? Youth must ask for a RMG audit before depositing money to real money gaming apps. Who rolls the dice? This is the biggest question every youth player will have. You or server. Real Ludo, where physically player controls the roll of the dice. But online Ludo app, player A gets nearly winning score. Player B gets all of the sudden 6 score. This is called rubber band technique. Outcome based RNG. Outcome adjusted to prolong play and matchmaking with bot. They show you a certificate from Australia, Netherlands and ask them that certificate is tested in lab 10,000 rules. I'm asking about live server, 25 crore users, 1 crore gamer per day. Does your live server use same RNG certificate that lab tested? Show live RNG mapping audit then. Show server logs. Lab certificate is not live proof. Lab tested is not real game. If dice is not random, why player B always gets 6 when player A is about to win? This is the biggest question every youth player will have. This is deceptive design under Consumer Protection Act 2019. For consumer awareness, not financial advice, verified certified audit is required with KYC ledger from every gaming company. The conclusion is, I'm not saying certificate is fake. I'm saying certificate is incomplete. A lab certificate without live server audit is like driving license without a car RC. Both needed because India has no mandatory gaming RNG audit law yet. So they take from outside where law is loose and cheap. Lab never checks if Indian server uses same code. So think logically. In real sense, no gaming app can make 1000x profit versus total deposit by 25 crore users. It is a deceptive design, so be aware before you invest.